New developments, a 16-year-old who police say shot and killed a McLain High School student will now be charged as an adult.
Of course, we brought you extensive coverage of that shooting that happened after the fall homecoming football game. 3 others were also hurt in the shooting.
Fox 23's Tanya Motorzycki is live after sitting in on today's hearing. Tanya.
Shay and Sarah, Nyavion Golden was not in court today because the juvenile center did not receive paperwork to have him transferred on over. But I did obtain documents from the judge as to why he is not being treated as a child.
And I'm not sure what we got going on here.
This was the scene at the McLain High School homecoming game last September when shots rang out that resulted in 1 death.
We have a 17-year-old male who's been shot and killed at a McLain homecoming game.
And injured 3 others, including a 9-year-old. Police later arrested then 16-year-old Nyavion Golden for murder and 3 counts of intent to kill. Golden's case went before a judge again Thursday afternoon to determine if he'll be treated as a juvenile or a youthful offender. I spoke with the assistant district attorney, Eric Graylis, after the hearing that Golden was not present at because the juvenile detention center did not send him over. But his mother agreed to proceed without him.
If someone is treated as a child, it's primarily based upon rehabilitation, whereas someone treated as an adult or as a youthful offender, there's different reasons. One is also treated for rehabilitation as a youthful offender, but the state announced in open court previously that we will be seeking adult sentencing. In other words, that we're looking for punishment as opposed to rehabilitation.
According to Graylis, the judge ruled Golden will not be treated as a child.
The defendant should be held accountable as a youthful offender, for that purpose, the defendant was what's called bound over or should be standing trial as a youthful offender for those homicide charges.
Court documents say the judge's decision was based on the alleged offense committed was aggressive and violent. Documents say Golden did not have a criminal history but was suspended in school for fighting, and that the history of aggression does cause this factor to weigh towards a finding that the defendant should proceed as a youthful offender.
Golden is back in court Monday morning at 9:30 for an arraignment. Live downtown, covering news that matters, I'm Tanya Motorzycki, Fox 23 News.